Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins ngayon. Ang 5 new pence ng United Kingdom. Mayroong taon na 1975. So i-share ko sa inyo guys ang napakagandang impormasyon tungkol sa baryang ito guys ng United Kingdom. The 1975 5 new pence United Kingdom coins is a notable piece from the decimalization era of British currency. Historical context: introduced in 1968, the 5 new pence coin was part of the United Kingdom's transition to a decimal currency system, which was officially adopted in 1971. The 1975 issue continued the design elements established during this period. And the design and specification. Ober's design features the young portrait of Queen Elizabeth II facing right, designed by Arnold Machin. And the reverse design. Reverse display a crowned tassel symbolizing Scotland, designed by Christopher Ironside, with a composition of copper nickel, 75% of copper, 25% of nickel. At weight 5.65 grams, diameter 23.6 mm, age mild. The specification remains consistent for the larger version of 5 pence coin until it was replaced by a smaller version in 1990. Mintage in 1975, approximately 141,539,000 kapiraso or pieces of these coins were minted, making it a common issue for that year. Collectability and value. Due to its high mintage, the 1975 new pence coin is readily available and holds modest value among the collectors. According to the numismatic guarantee company NGC, the coin's value varies based on its condition. Very fine, $0.30 US. Uncirculated condition with MA65 graded from NGC is up to $1.80 US. Auction record. Specific auction records for this 1975 5 new pence coins are limited, primarily due to its commonality and low individual value. However, uncirculated specimens of these coins with unique errors may attract higher bids on numismatic auctions. Notable variants: while the standard 1975 5 new pence coins is common, certain variants from same era such as the 1983 Toffee coin, the new pence inscription due to a minting error, have pitched a significant sum of at the auctions, sometimes up to €1,000. In conclusion, the 1975 5 new pence coin is a representative piece of the UK's decimalization period. While it holds a limited monetary value due to its abundance, it remains a significant artifact for the collectors interested in British numismatic history. So yung kanyang napakagandang impormasyon guys tungkol sa baryang ito guys ng United Kingdom, ang 5 new pence na mayroong taon ng 1975. Maraming salamat sa panonood guys at God bless sa ating lahat.